Israelites maintained a steady supply of water in their desert home by keeping wells, often placed in the middle of the village as community property. It tended to be a gathering place for women whose role it was to collect the family's water supply for the day. They used vessels of either clay or animal skin attached with a rope that was lowered into the well. There are so many Bible stories that prominently feature women at a well. The Samaritan Woman in the New Testament, Hagar, Rachel, Rebekah, and several others in the Old. By creating your own well, you are placing your students at the center of the action. Find a heavy-duty round plastic container, the ones with the rope handles, usually used for ice and drinks at outdoor parties. Cut off the rope handles, which will leave you with some obvious holes in the plastic, but we will cover them later. True confession, I am not an artist, and so I had a talented member of my church paint the stone on the inside and outside of this container. If you can recreate this yourself, awesome, but don't be afraid to ask someone to help you. Their time investment can create an interest in helping out in other ways in your ministry. First, paint your well with a primer, one that will adhere to plastic. The white primer not only helps the paint stick better, but becomes the grout lines between the stone. I highly suggest that you use paint that specifically states it will adhere to plastic. Glue some similarly shaped rocks along the edge of your well using strong glue such as E6000. You might decide to add water to your well, particularly if you don't paint the inside as I did. This does make for a great activity for the little ones. However, another true confession, I really didn't want the water mess with my upper elementary students, so we painted the inside and added a watery blue color to the bottom for effect. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.